Hi, my name is Kasey Pruett. I am doing my project on the hypereutrophic Upper Klamath Lake, which is in southern Oregon. The lake was first dammed in 1914. The Chiloquin Dam was put in place, and then a few years later, in 1921, the Link River Dam was put in place. Ever since the lake was dammed, it has struggled with eutrophication, currently has annual cyanobacteria blooms, and is home to 2 endangered fish species. The objectives of our study was to investigate the relationships between water quality, the cyanobacteria blooms, and zooplankton within the lake. Also to compare the ecological relationships before and after the dam removal to understand the impacts of the restoration efforts whenever the Chiloquin Dam was removed in 2008. We utilized ensemble modeling in order to understand the dynamics of the variable interactions. We used data from Klamath Basin Monitoring Program. We used 10 years of data, 5 years prior to dam removal and 5 years after. So the delineation point, 2008, after the dam was removed. And we used 6 commonly used predictive metrics to understand how well each of these models performed. Our results showed that mean SECI, pH, temperature, and total phosphorus, chidorids, and cyanobacteria cell counts all decreased, and copepods and dissolved oxygen increased after dam removal. T-tests showed that these were all statistically significant. 2 of the zooplankton species had opposing responses to the dam removal as well as to the cyanobacteria presence. The chidorids increased in presence of cyanobacteria cells and they decreased after the dam was removed, whereas copepods decreased in the presence of cyanobacteria and increased after the dam was removed. Elevated total phosphorus, temperature, and pH were the main culprits leading to bloom development, both before and after the dam was removed. After the Chiloquin Dam removal, the thresholds for total phosphorus decreased, whereas the temperature and pH thresholds increased. Our conclusions from these results were that cyanobacteria cell counts decreased overall after the dam removal, per our results. And this is likely due to the decreased average temperature, total phosphorus, and pH within the lake. The chidorid species are currently found in Upper Klamath Lake. They tend to be associated with eutrophic lakes. It's a species called Chidorus sphericus, and they are known to perch on and consume cyanobacteria, whereas copepods prefer algae and do not tend to thrive in eutrophic lakes. Additionally, these zooplankton groups are a crucial food source for the juvenile lost river suckers and short-nosed suckers, the 2 endangered species within the lake. Changes in these 2 populations may be the result of a gradual ecological and trophic shift towards a complete restoration in the years to come. Thank you so much, and please post any questions.